Your Cummins has a 5 mile-an-hour D rate, or SPN 5246. What now? What we will cover in today's video is this: what a DEF, or an after-treatment D rate is, components that make up the emission system that control the 5 mile-an-hour D rate, fault code that causes 5 mile-an-hour D rate, temporarily overriding the 5 mile-an-hour D rate. Is it possible with a Cummins? How to fix the 5 mile-an-hour D rate. Is it safe to drive with the 5 mile-an-hour D rate? Updating your emission system. What is a DEF, or an after-treatment D rate? A D rate means that the program inside the engine computer limits either the power or vehicle speed. It is designed to protect you from causing engine or DPF damage. When you have a specific 5 mile-an-hour D rate, then you can be certain that the problem is related to the emissions, also known as the after-treatment system. Here are the 6 components that make up the emission systems that control the 5 mile-an-hour D rate. DEF fluid, or diesel exhaust fluid. If you have a bad DEF fluid, this can cause DEF quality issues and can put you into a D rate. DEF doser valve. This regulates the injection of the DEF fluid into your SCR catalyst. DEF pump assembly. The heart of your DEF system that pumps the DEF fluid throughout the system. If this fails, you will definitely go into a D rate. NOx sensors, inlet and outlet sensors. When the sensor detects how much NOx is in the exhaust stream, it tells the SCR or DEF system to inject more urea, which uses ammonia to reduce emission levels in your system. DEF control modules. This module controls the operation of the emission system, and it is in direct communication with your engine control module, or ECM. ECM, the DPF system and the regen process is controlled by the ECM. So with the DEF module, it controls your entire operation. The dreaded fault code that causes the 5 mile-an-hour D rate. This fault is related to the SCR inducement, which is what regulates your truck to this D rate. Cummins fault code 3712, or SPN 5246 FMI0. Notification: red stop engine light on. Information: after treatment SCR operator inducement. Data valid but above normal operating range. Most severe level. Critical SCR related fault codes have been active for an extended period of time and require immediate attention. Immediate engine power D rate. Vehicle speed will be limited to 5 miles per hour or 8 kilometers per hour if you live anywhere outside the United States. Temporarily overriding this 5 mile-an-hour D rate on a Cummins engine. Is it even possible? Unfortunately, the only way is to take your truck to a service shop with a dealer level service tool, and they can clear your fault codes. However, if you have the DTC plus AFT reset tool for Cummins, you will have this dealer level capability right in the palm of your hands, enabling you to reset the system yourself anytime, anywhere. This is a little more cost-effective solution. How to fix your 5 mile-an-hour D rate. You need to first get to the root of your problem and see what failed component triggered your SCR inducement code. Some common failures are failed DEF doser valve, run out of DEF fluid, inlet and outlet NOx sensor failed, EGR system malfunction causing NOx efficiency problems, DEF pump failed, not making pressure, DEF module failed, harness failure, no power to DEF module causes DEF gauge to be empty and showing data link error and SCR malfunction. The DEF or ECM could also need updating to eliminate ghost issues. You might ask, is it safe to drive with a D rate? Driving with a D rate may cause permanent damage to your engine or emission systems. Be cautious when driving with an active D rate and seek service immediately. Updating your emission system. Yes, updates are recommended if they are available, as this can help remove any bugs or issues. However, please note that this isn't a fix for all your problems or ghost codes. Let us know in the comments of any helpful tips and things you do to keep your Cummins systems operational. Once again, my name is Jameson Kern, and we appreciate you stopping by another OTR Performance Tableside Chat. We'll see you next time.